Hello, welcome to class 4 math subject and lesson number 4 tick 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 part 2. Today we are going to begin with the clock, how to tell time, clockwise, anti-clockwise, etc. Now let us see in our next slide what is there.
Hello students, now let us begin with clock. Here can you see one hand, the short hand? Let me show you how it works. This is clockwise. Okay children? Yes. How it is moving, just check it. It is clockwise. Now the next is anti-clockwise. See, it is moving in reverse direction, very opposite direction. Okay, so this is called anti-clockwise. Now, can you see 3 hands are there? The short hand is called hour hand. Then long hand is minute hand. And the longest hand is seconds hand. See how will it work? This is hour hand. This is minute hand. And this is second hand. Okay. So we can see the time accordingly. And hour hand will show you hours. Minute hands will show you how many minutes has been passed, and the second hand will show you how many seconds have been passed. Now in this slide you can see that 2 types of numbers has been written. Bold ones are showing hours and the smaller ones are showing you minutes. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and up to 00, 55 and then up to 00. So those are showing you minutes. Between 12 to 1 there are 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 minutes. Students, if your minute hand is on 1, that means 5 minutes. On 2, that means 10 minutes. 3, that means 15 minutes. You have to keep 5 stable in your mind. If the minute hand will show you 4, that means 4 5s are 20. Getting my point? Let's move ahead. Now you can see this. What? In the dial there are 1 to 12 numbers. It shows hours and outer side are showing minutes. Okay, if minute hand is on 1, that means 5 minutes. 2 means 10 minutes. 3 means 15 minutes. I am talking about minute hand. Okay, so moving on. 6 30 minutes, 7 35 minutes, 8 40 minutes, 9 45 minutes and so on. Now I am showing you this 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. If in 12-hour clock 1 a.m. is there, that means 1 o'clock, 2 a.m. 2 o'clock and till 12 noon, that means 12 o'clock. But in 12-hour clock, if 1 p.m. is there, that means you have to add 12 more numbers in this to convert into 24 hour. So 1 p.m. plus 12 is equal to 13. Okay, 13 hours we will say.
Now telling time,
in 24
as you can
hour
see in
clock,
the picture,
we will not write
from
AM
12
or
to
PM.
6 we have to
Understood?
say past,
So
and
if 4 p.m. is
from
there,
7
we have to add
and from 7 to
12
12 we have to say
numbers
2,
into it.
like
So 12
quarter
plus 4
to,
is 16.
10 to,
So we will write
5 to.
16
It is
hours.
like that.
Okay. In 12
Now let us
midnight,
learn how to
it is called
tell
00
time.
hours.
Look at this
Understood?
picture. The
Now
short
telling
hand
time.
means hour hand is between 2 and 3 and minute hand is on 6. Now the short hand is on 2 and 3 is in between 2 and 3. That means we have to say 2 hours. And the minute hand is on 6. That means you have to say the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, and 5 sixes are, it is 30. So what we will write? We will write 2 colon 30. Understood, student? So we can write it as 2 hours 30 minutes, or we can say half past 2. We can say both way. Now next slide is hour hand is on in between 8 and 9, and minute hand is on 3. In hour hand we have to see earlier number. Hour hand is between 8 and 9. So which one is the earlier number? 8. So we will write first of all 8 o'clock. Understood, student? We have to write earlier number. That is why we have to write 8 first of all. Then we have to see minutes hand. It is on 3. So let us begin. We have to say 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 5 threes are 15. So let us check 0, 5, 10 and 15. So we have to write 8 colon 15, and 8 colon 15 is also, we can say as quarter past 8. Understood, student? We can also say quarter past 8. Now let's see next slide. It is this hour hand is between 11 and 12, and minute hand is on 9. So students, for hour hand, again we have to see 11 and 12, which number is earlier? So 11 is the before number. So we will denote, first of all we will write 11. 11 colon. Now let's see. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, and 5 nines are is 45. So we have to write it as a 11:45, or we can write it as quarter to 12. Understood, students? When we are writing quarter to, that means at that time we have to count the next number for hours. Otherwise 11:45, and the other way quarter to 12.
Now converting 12-hour time into 24-hour clock, we have to add 12 to 12-hour clock, right? For example, here in this clock 3 o'clock is there, okay? So in 3 o'clock we have to add 12. Understood? So it will become 15. So in 24-hour clock we have to write it as 15 hours. Converting 24-hour clock time
Now
to
I hope you
12-hour
understood
clock,
this concept.
we have to
Thanks
subtract
for watching.
12 from the 24-hour clock. It is written here in 23 colon 20. Okay, so we have to subtract 12 from that 24-hour clock. So 23 colon 20 minus 12. Okay, so it will become 11, and it is PM. Okay, I thought